Welcome to another episode on our channel. I'm going to do an unboxing of a figure I already have, but I got the second figure because I want to do a custom of it. So I'm just going to show you the figure today. You've already seen the figure, but it wasn't in an unboxed sort of way. This is Westley, made by Quantum Mechanix, which really doesn't sound like a toy maker, Quantum Mechanix. But they made Westley from The Princess Bride, a movie that came out in 1987. It's one of those movies you can watch over and over and over again and not get bored with it at all. Westley is portrayed by Carey Elwes, and Buttercup was portrayed by Wright, and Inigo Montoya was portrayed by Mandy Pantinkin. Those are two other characters I would love to get a hold of, but it's not unusual, as I've shared in the past, that sometimes you can only get one figure from a movie that you very much enjoyed watching, and this is the case in this situation. So if I want a Wright character who played Buttercup, or Inigo Montoya figure portrayed by Mandy Pantinkin, I'll have to customize those figures. And I really haven't found any head sculpts that could come close to either of those two figures. So that's kind of disappointing. But this is going to be a custom for something else. I already have Westley. So, and it's an unboxing. So hopefully you'll enjoy it regardless. Quantum Mechanix Westley from The Princess Bride. So, and the box is in really good shape. I mean, really good shape. I don't see a ding on it. So we'll get set up and open this baby up. We are back, and let's open this box up. Okay. So it's like a storybook. And if you watch the movie, the grandfather is reading to the grandson about this story. So this is definitely appropriate. See how I open it up. I don't think this has been, I don't think it's been opened actually. That tape looks like original tape. And like I said, it is basically like a book. So here we have Princess Bride, The Princess Bride. And it looks to be in exceptional shape. Wow. Wonderful. All right, well, there is tape on there, and it's definitely not been opened. Tape there too. So let's go through the bottom. All right, well, it is from the bottom. Okay. All right, so let's see what we have. That came off nicely. Okay, so we have two hands, bare hands, and they're in grasping positions, as you can see. So the two bare hands are there. Then we have gloved hands. This one's open. And this one is fully closed. So open and fully closed. All right. And this one is, okay. So here's the second fully closed one. So those go together. Fully closed. Whoops. There you go. It doesn't want to stay on that side. We'll let it stay wherever it wants to, I guess. This one is grasping. There, I got it. You can see the opening there. All right. And this one was open, like I said before. So grasping, open. These are two right hands or left hands. And this grasping one is a right hand. So we got two grasping, one, two closed, and one left hand open. And it looks like he has relaxed hands on him already. So we'll move this out of the way for now. We've got a nice drinking glass. It plays a significant role in the movie. We've got a sheath and sword. No, it's plastic. Okay. But very nice looking. It has a look. We've got Westley himself. And maybe turn his head up a bit more to the side. There he is. It's pretty good. That's a really good likeness of him. These plastic liners are taped. Yeah, I don't think he's ever been displayed. We have a secondary head. And this head comes with a mask. Oops, get it straight. Bandana. And of course, his likeness as well. So you can go for either look. The masked one or the maskless one. Okay. And then we also have, last but not least, the stand. I got it out. Princess Bride. Okay. That was noisy. But that looks like it's going to go in very, yeah, so easy. Princess Bride. All right. So we'll pause now and get the plastic off of him. Try to figure out what hands to put on him and how to pose him. And we'll be back shortly. We are back, and here he is with the head he came with. So he's basically all in black. He's got wonderful black pants on, wonderful black boots. He's got a black sash on the side, a black belt, a black shirt that's really puffy at the ends of the shirt. I've got him with his black gloves on. I opted not to use his there's only one set of bare hands here, but I think he looks more smashing with the black gloves. And this really captured the likeness of Carey Elwes, who played Westley. So yeah, he looks good. We will pause and I'll put the other head on him so you can see him and we'll get some close-ups. We'll do a roundabout first before we get some close-ups. We are back and you're probably wondering why you're seeing this head again. I just wanted to show you something. He has one of those attachments on the neck, so his head comes off really easy. There's that nice attachment that then fits into the opening that has a groove in here. So you're going to find the same thing, albeit it's a little covered here. Let me move things back. You're going to see the same thing with this head, the groove right down here. So all you have to do is just line things up. Oh, that's interesting. This one doesn't come with the little piece that the groove would fit over. It's just rounded. But it doesn't matter. It goes on nicely. And the nice thing, well, it should go on nicely. That's interesting. Oh, maybe I've got the bandana caught in it. Yeah. There. He goes on nicely. And now we have the masked version of Westley. So, yeah, I could get his neck down even lower still, which is better. It's never a good thing to have the neck too long. This is perfect. So what was preventing me getting it on easily was that I had a piece of the bandana stuck in the neck while I was putting it on. But here he is. So we'll pause now, get him on a turn tray, see him from different angles, and then proceed to get some close-ups of him. We are back with the different head sculpt, and he looks even more awesome with this particular sculpt, I think. Bandana, mask, looks great. My husband pointed out he saw a place to put the sheath on the belt that I missed, so I slipped it in there. It looks even more awesome now, I think. So we'll go around so you can see him from different angles. I don't know, it's an amazing likeness, and the outfit is so awesome, I think. He looks great. They even, here at the end of his belt, hopefully you can see, they put a little piece at the end of his belt. That's cool. Everything's in silver that is not in black. I love it. Yeah. He looks awesome. Not just with this head sculpt, but the other one. But I like this one better. And it is accurate. The facial details are accurate to the movie. I think Quantum Mechanix did a great job. Yeah. So we'll pause now and get some tighter close-ups from here on up and then of his face. So you can see more details now. He has some string here around his shirt. I'm just gonna go to profile shots here so you can see him from the side with that sword now very visible in the sheath. The little piece of leather that it went through the belt itself, and then see him from this side. where you can see the edge of the belt here, and you can see his bandana as well as mask. Very nicely done by this company. Yeah. Definitely true to the movie. Here is Westley close up, and he looks absolutely perfect. I hope to do more with customizing this figure, but here's one last look at Westley. I hope you've liked what you've seen. If you have, consider giving us a thumbs up and subscribing to our channel. In the meantime, everyone, please have a great day.